In this video, you'll learn how to copy your Pi deposit address using the OKX Wallet app. By following these steps, you will ensure that you can easily receive Pi tokens without any errors. Begin by opening the OKX app on your device. Once the app is fully loaded, you will see the main dashboard displaying various options. Look for the Wallet option, typically located at the bottom of the screen. Tap on Wallet to proceed to the Wallet section. After accessing the Wallet section, you will find multiple wallet options. Locate and select Web3 Wallet. This will take you to the Web3 Wallet interface where you can manage your decentralized assets. Wait a moment for this section to load completely. Once in the Web3 Wallet, you need to find the Pi token. You can either scroll through the list of available tokens or use the search function to quickly locate Pi. After finding Pi, tap on it to access its specific options. Now that you are on the Pi token page, look for the option labeled Deposit or Receive. Tapping on this will initiate the process to display your deposit address. Wait for the deposit address to load. This may take a few seconds depending on your... After the address appears, you will see your unique Pi deposit address displayed on the screen. To copy this address, tap the copy button. This action saves the address to your clipboard, allowing you to paste it wherever needed. Alternatively, you can also scan the QR code displayed on the screen if you prefer that method to receive Pi. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching and catch you in the next tutorial.